Welcome back to Arinze Easy Maths. Here we are to show the formula for future value annuity. Annuity is a sequence of equal payments made at equal interval of time with compound interest on them. And this type of payment is an investment because it will yield interest after making series of payments. The period may be per month or per year, every month or every year. By the time the duration is elapsed, you then go and collect your money, the sum of all the money invested, plus interest made on them. So, I will show you the formula that can help you to calculate the amount of money you are going to make after investing money per month or per year. Okay, let's start by letting the money you are investing per month, let's represent it with P. Let's the money you are investing be P. So at first month amount, after making P for the first month, let me represent it with A sub 1. Let the amount be P because you just made the payment, and this money you are paying it at the end of every month, so you pay P. In the second month, you have another amount, you pay another money, P. So the amount you're going to have in the second month will be P plus interest made on the first month, which is in form of a plus P I, where I is the interest. If I factor out P, I'll have the value to be, the amount to be P bracket 1 plus I. On the third month, you make another payment, P. You pay another payment, P. But the amount on the third month will be P plus interest on the first month plus interest on the second month also. Remember, this one is growing in compound. This one is the interest on this is compounded. This compound interest is going to, that's what is going making these ones to grow. So the amount you're going to have on the third month is P plus interest on the first month, which is PI, plus interest on the second month, which is PI bracket 1 plus I. So let me factorize this. Let me pair this in two. These two. If I factor out these two, I'll have here P will come out. P bracket 1 plus I. So this one is still PI bracket 1 plus I. There is P here, there is P here. I'll factor out P again. So this, I'll factor out PI, of course, there's PI, that's P bracket 1 plus I, P bracket 1 plus I. So factor out P bracket 1 plus I, P bracket 1 plus I. So here remain 1 plus here remain I. So this is generally equals to P bracket 1 plus I square plus 1 plus I times 1 plus I is 1 plus is P 1 plus I times 1 plus I is P 1 plus I square. So this is the amount we are going to have for the third month. So let's see the fourth month and see the amount you're going to have in the fourth month. Amount for the fourth month is going to be the equal payment you're making P plus interest on the first month PI plus interest on the second month PI bracket 1 plus I plus interest on the third month PI bracket 1 plus I square. So we'll factor out P. P is generally in all of them. So factor out P. This will give me P bracket, here remain 1 plus here remain I plus here remain I bracket 1 plus I, here remain I bracket 1 plus I square. What am I going to factor out again? So group these two, 1 plus I, group it bracket and factor out 1 plus I. So I have here P bracket 1 plus I factored out, here remain 1 plus here remain I, here remain I bracket 1 plus I. Group these two again, group 1 plus I again and factor it out. You'll have P bracket 1 plus I, factoring out 1 plus I, 1 plus I. I'll have in this place 1 plus 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I remain 1 plus coming to this place is I. So generally this is equals to P bracket 1 plus I cubed. That is the amount for the 4th month. Looking at this, it forms geometric series because the amount for the first time is P, then the second one is P bracket 1 plus I with power 1, the third one is P bracket 1 plus I power 2, the fourth one is P bracket 1 plus I power 3. So the 5th one, the amount on the 5th month is going to be P bracket 1 plus I power 4. Suggest the amount for the 6th month. Amount for the 6th month is going to be P bracket 1 plus I power 5. And so on. So amount up to nth month is going to be P bracket 1 plus I raised to power n minus 1. Because the difference between the power and the sub is 1. The sub minus 1. The sub value, the sub A minus 1 will give us the power of 1 plus I. So the amount for up to an month is going to be P bracket 1 plus I raised to power 1 n minus 1. So the overall amount you're going to collect at the end of the investment is the sum of this individual amounts. The sum of individual amounts. That is called your future value annuity. So your future value annuity is equals to P plus P bracket 1 plus I plus P bracket 1 plus I square plus P bracket 1 plus I raised to power 3 plus all these individual amounts, then plus the last amount, which is P bracket 1 plus I raised to power n minus 1. So we are going to sum this. Okay, let's use this part of the board. So we are going to sum this future value annuity. Remember, I have if I factor out P in all of them, my future value annuity is going to be P bracket 1 plus 1 plus I plus 1 plus I square plus 1 plus I raised to power 3 plus 1 plus I raised to power n minus 1. So what next? This is a geometric series. The common ratio is 1 plus I. Common ratio is 1 plus I. And some of geometric sequence geometric series is a series because the binary operation there is addition. So the sum of geometric series Sn is equals to a bracket r raised to power n minus 1 all over r minus 1 for r bigger than 1, or a bracket 1 minus r raised to power n over over 1 minus r for r smaller than 1. And in this case, is r bigger than 1? Is r bigger than 1? Yes, r is bigger than 1. Remember, our r is equals to t2 divided by t1. t2 divided by t1, which is equals to t2 is 1 plus i. 1 plus i divided by our t1 is 1, is equals to 1 plus i. So it is bigger than 1 by I. So it's a geometric series with common ratio bigger than 1. So we'll use the first formula. Therefore, future value annuity is equals to P bracket. We are summing this up to nth term. This is N1, T1, T2, T3, T4, Tn. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. Each of them is n plus 1. So my tn is equals to, my t1 is equals to the power plus 1. So the power of this one is 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. The power of this one is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. The power of the last one is n minus 1 plus 1, which is n. So sum of gp to nth term, we are going to use this. So not the power of r won't change. So my first term here is, which is a, is 1. So I'll have it as 1 bracket. My r is 1 plus I. 1 plus I. 1 plus I. 1 plus I raised to power n minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. All over. My r is 1 plus I. Then minus 1. All right. Let us simplify further. Therefore, future value annuity is equals to P bracket 1 multiplying everything inside is the same thing. So it's going to be 1 plus I raised to power n minus 1 all over 1 plus I minus 1. So this gives P bracket 1 plus I raised to power n minus 1 all over I. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. 1 plus I minus 1 will leave us with I only. And this is the formula for finding future value annuity. Thank you.